Hey everybody, it's Isaac again with the butcher shop. So today we are going to narrow the axle. Probably gonna be a boring video for you guys, but maybe some of you would like to see it. Yeah, so I need to get it done, so might as well record it. So I took the tires off. I gotta drain the diff on the back, and then we'll take all this out. I gotta see, these are the CPP brakes. They're already starting to rust, dang it. Clean them up with a wire wheel. I gotta get all this crap off, start and drain it, but all right, here we go. Alright, now I need to find something to put the fluid in, because I'm saving the fluid. It's brand new. I never even drove it once on it. $4.15. anyways, I'll probably have to run into town, grab a bucket or something, or run up to the garage and see if I can find a bucket. Actually, I think it's like 2 quarts. This might work. Got the push rods and rocker rods in there for the 400. But it may just work. Clean it up. Yeah, 2 quarts should be fine in there. All right. So, oh, battery's almost dead. Go figure. Let me change the battery real quick. Okay, see if I can move this to a stand. Okay. Whew. Drain it out a little bit more. Let that drain for a few. I'll let that drain, get my batteries charged on the GoPro, and then I'll be back. Well, we got the axles out of the car. Up on here, I cut off the perches. I'll have to make new perches. Cut these off, grinded it down, measured out 8 1/4, wrapped it. That's where we're going to cut it, and then we'll go in just under 1.5 inches. So that we got to give the thickness of the wheel, so that should give us our 3 inches overall. And then I don't know if you can see this or not. All I did was mark a little, scribe the line in both of them, so when I cut them off, put them back together, you can see where they go. Alright, so I'm going to make these cuts. Actually, I'm going to pull these out, make the cuts. Probably stick some rags or something up in here, some wet rags. Then we will probably grind like a 45 on both of these, tack weld them, and then put them back together. Alright, let's get after it. these up.